I just finished that chapter in my life. And I'm not saying that I never want to get married again. I still do. But not now.
And then we own that
Lating na
day.
kamay mo, pare.
Ganun ba yun?
Ganun ba yun dati?
Hey, 25th at the Cow Palace in San Francisco. The concert is, of course, produced by the
Busy ka na
Filipino
naman,
channel.
Mark.
Busy ako? Why? What does that mean?
Good for the kids and I, you know.